R, and
Okay.
and then so
So
you
I should put the definition list, the definition text, and the definition here, the
yeah
DT
yeah
and the
yeah and
DLR.
yeah yeah and explain to us.
Wait, can I should I delete this file? Should I like delete everything in this file?
You can if you want to.
Okay. So now, first of all, you have to put our definition list.
Okay, this is what you do. Start with an ordered list and unordered list before you
Huh?
get
What
to.
did you say?
Start with
I should do.
unordered list and ordered list before you get to
Okay.
definition list.
Okay. Ordered list. So ordered list. Now, when you're inside the ordered list, you have to put your list, and then that's where, if you want, you can put a heading, but I'm not gonna put a heading. So I'm gonna list my favorite colors. First, red. Then you have to create the more you have to create more lists inside your ordered lists for your different colors. Oh, come on. Here's one. And how many colors should I do?
You're the instructor of the session, so any color, any
Okay.
amount.
Okay.
Do a control Z, a control Z, control Z. Okay,
Okay.
the slash was supposed to come in before the body, not
Yeah,
after
I
the.
noticed. I noticed that.
Okay.
Okay. So now, I'm gonna create an unordered list. Now, for an ordered list, you have to put a UL instead of OL and tap enter. It's the exact. You do the exact same thing you did with your ordered list, but just that it's with U, not an O. So now I'm going to list different sports. So if you want to make an ordered list, you have to put your OL tag and tap enter. Once you have done that, inside your inside your ordered list, you put your list and you start to copy down like colors. It can be any topic, but it has to be inside your ordered list, and each of them must have their own list tag.
Okay, got
And
it.
you do the same thing for your unordered list, just like put a U, not an O. Let me just set myself up. Now, for the ordered list, I'm going to do an OL tag, and then I'm going to tap enter. Now, right in the middle of my tag, I'm gonna tap enter again so that there's a line in between where I can start putting my lists. So I'll draw an LI tag and tap enter.
These are the steps to create an ordered list. All right. So before you start creating an ordered list, the first thing to do is an OL tag. OL means ordered list. So it's like an abbreviation, OL. Then inside your OL is where you have your list items, right? You can have your list items like you saying, I want to create a list of football clubs. I want to create a list of sports. You now start listing the sports. OL is like ordered manner, ordered way of listing items, right? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in as much as you want to create, you can use LI to list the items. This is when you want to create any item from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in an hierarchical order.
It's just like writing on a piece of paper what you want to do today, like a list, just a normal list that like writing on a piece of paper but like on your computer.
Okay.
Exactly. So now that your list is wrapped around your ordered list, you can start listing down what you want your topic. My topic is gonna be colors, so red. And for each item, they must have their own list tag. Blue. Start down your list for your topic. My topic is gonna be sports, so I'm gonna put down basketball. Now we're gonna do a detailed definition list.
All right. So Francis, do you understand?
Yeah.
Can you create an ordered list and unordered list?
Just wait.
Okay. Kaituna, just save, pause here first, and then
Okay.
stop presenting. Let's have Francis present and then create.
But I'm doing it right now.
Yeah, I want to see. We want to see what you're doing. All right. So clear whatever you have. Clear all your UL. Start again. Start over. Control A to highlight all. Control A. Command A for you, and then clear. Then start again. Let's see. Want it to be empty. Then explain to Chris understanding, Francis understanding, Cordina's understanding, Kaituna's understanding what a DL tag is and what it does, how to create a DL tag.
Okay.
And let's get that.
So the DL tag is like a package and wrap it with. So to start the list, we need to start with DL.
Yes, you have to put the DL tag because the DL tag shows that you're starting a list. So once you've written the two letters DL, which is for definition list, you tap enter.